What's up guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Luxury Divas box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Luxury Divas box. Definitely check out my blog because I post a ton of different videos and reviews. So if you guys love reviews on different products or maybe recipes, things like that, I have all of that on my blog. So I try to post on my blog about 4 times a week. Sometimes it's more. So definitely check that out because there's definitely more content on there. So anyway, like I said, we're opening up another Luxury Divas box. Basically, Luxury Divas box is an accessory box. I say it's more so of a fashion and accessory box because every month it's a subscription. Every month you actually get a piece of fashion. So I usually always get like a top or something or sweater. So you always get a piece of fashion in my experience. Now you guys, if you saw my last video for Luxury Divas for last month, that was actually my first box coming back. I took a few months off because we were in the process of moving. I didn't want anything to get lost because I did have some pieces get lost, like Sephora Play. No idea where that last box went. Somebody has my box. Mad, but it's okay. I didn't get that box, so thankfully I did stop some subscriptions in the process. Okay, but this is my first box really for the subscription version of it. So what it is you can either get a one-time box for $35, and of course I have a coupon code for you guys. It's basically my name, so Lynette and the number 5, and that'll save you guys some bucks. And I'll put the code underneath the video if you want to check that out. Or you can subscribe monthly if you want to, something for yourself. So it's actually curated for what you like. You fill out a profile and you let them know what your tastes are and then colors and things like that, and they curate that box for you. So stop the mumbo jumbo, then let's get into the box. So this is what it comes with every month. It comes in that black box, and then this is what it looks like inside. So you get a personalized note. And this month, my note there is from Marina. So it says, hello, Lynette. Summer is here and I bet Texas is getting warmer. Obviously, I'm in Texas, so they know where you are. This month's June box came right in time. I can't figure out what's my favorite product. Maybe you can enjoy and happy summer. Love, Marina. So there you go. Someone puts your box together, and then this we're gonna put to the side because it's actually telling you everything that came with your box. Usually they give you like a little goodie. Mine fell on the bottom. So usually they give you like a little candy or snack. So what is this? This is Smarties. And I know my kids, they love Smarties, so they're gonna grab this from me. Maybe I should just hide it. I don't know, do kids do the same thing? Smarties is something that they love. Okay, now what they do is they put your things for the month in like a little burrito, a tissue burrito that has their sticker inside, and it says Luxury Divas. So let's see what came in this month's package. And then basically this is everything for me that's in this month's package. All right. So let me see. So the first thing I have here, let me see, this is a tropical floral 2-pack crisscross headband. So if you can see that, it actually comes in like that, in this pattern, and it also came in this pattern. So that's cool. In the summer, I always, because I don't know about you, but guys, Texas is hot. In the summer, I always put my hair back. So the headbands, and I like this too, that they put the retail value for it. So the retail value for this one is $15, and it was available in multicolor, which you guys saw there. And then the next thing we have here, let me see what this is. This is a Ocean Breeze seashell. Hold on, I want to make sure you guys see that. Ocean Breeze seashell and turtle silver tone anklet. So this is an ankle bracelet. The retail value of this one is $17, and it was available in silver. You can let them know if you like gold or silver. My preferred tone is silver, so I definitely think that's cute. I actually don't have any anklets, so I needed one in my life, I guess. All right, so the next thing we have here, this is, actually let me take this out of the plastic so maybe you guys get a better sense for this one here. Because I know sometimes there's a glare with the lighting. So there you go. That's I think it's cute. All right, so we have that. And then the next thing we have here is a smooth, I'm gonna show you guys in plastic. So this one is, hold on. You need like She-Ra to open this up. So hold on, it's like two. Okay, there we go. Okay, all right, so this here, this is a smooth round disc chain link belt. So it says smooth, polished, circular shaped medallions are interlocked through chain links to create this gorgeous eye-catching waist belt featuring a mirror-like texture. This chain belt is finished with an 18-inch design to dangle. So this is actually what that looks like here. You guys can see. And then the retail value for this one is $18. So I'm not going to take it out of the plastic because you guys can get a sense of what that one looks like, because it's actually shown right there. That's what it looks like right there. Okay, and then the next thing we have here is navy blue and white star fashion mask. And I actually, the mask that I have right now is not the cutest, just a regular white surgical N95 mask. So this is here, and this says protect yourself and those around you, but finally in style. This mask is made from ultra soft material that features fun prints and make having to wear one not so bad. Not to mention they're made right in the USA. So this one is $13. I actually needed one because the ones that I have, sometimes it's too much to just go do quick things at the store. And here in my state, you still have to wear them. And then hold on. The next things we have here, hold on, let me see. So these are two nail polishes. And these are Italia Deluxe Nail Polish 2-pack. Give me a second, guys. So you guys can see, these are cool colors. These are definitely summer colors. All right, perfect. So hold on. Maybe I should hold them like this so you guys can see that. All right. So this says, achieve the perfect manicure with this double pack of nail polish that surely suits your every mood. Retail value for these are $12. So you guys saw that there. Perfect. All right, so that's cool. Definitely summer colors, which I need in my life. All right, and then last but not least, we have a black elastic waist long dress. So it's in a plastic, obviously. And it says the retail value for this one is $35. So like I told you guys, you always get I've always gotten a piece of clothing with my boxes. And that's why I love it, because especially right now, you kind of want to go shopping, but you can't really go shopping. We can't really, I don't feel like going shopping right now, but you kind of still want to get new clothes, right? So I know this is going to be hard to see, but if you can see, this is the back. And then this is the front, and it's very long. So here it says, I'll show you guys the photo so you guys can see. It says, if you're looking for a comfortable dress to wear in the warm weather, look no more. Throw this over your bathing suit at the beach, dress it up with heels or evening boardwalk fun. So this could have come in black or taupe, and I prefer black anyway. So that's how long that is. But it's very, very long. So I'm definitely gonna do that, because you guys know that we just moved into a house, so that's something I can actually, wear in the backyard with a pool. So the total retail value, and this is what I love too, I tell you the total. So the total for me was $108. So this is everything that came in my Luxury Divas box this month. And I don't know about you, but this definitely gets me in that summer mode. I'm so ready to go back outside. Definitely let me know. Have you guys gotten your Luxury Divas box for June? Let me know in the comment section below, what was your favorite box? Have you tried Luxury Divas? I love this one because, like I said, I can add to my wardrobe every month. And so far, I think I started this a little over a year ago, and every month I've gotten something that I can wear or I can share with my daughter. So my daughter, if she sees this, she's probably gonna take it, but that's okay. That's all right, we can share that one. But definitely let me know in the comment section below, what has been your favorite Luxury Divas month. Did you get June yet? Did you get June at all? Definitely let me know. And don't forget, there is a $5 coupon code if you guys want to save some cash on your either one-time box or subscription. You can use the code Lynette5 to get that money off. Anyway, but definitely check out my blog, like I said, because I review a ton of products on there just to give you guys some reviews of single item products, because I don't think a lot of people do that anymore. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.